gone and come up with a cunning plan. I'm bored. I'm just driving along on my own, so I've decided I'm going to become Banana Man, the Banana Man of Sri Lanka, right? I'm going to buy a giant bunch of bananas and just give them to people. Like, why not? Why not? Hello, hello, hello. How much are the bananas? How much are these? I want all of them. How much? Oh. That should be enough, shouldn't it? It's plenty of bananas. Hello. All of them. How much, please? Oh, yes. Hello, my friend. How are you? How much for all the bananas? How much?
700 rupees.
Yeah, I'll take them. 700 rupees.
Need to cut? You need cut?
No, I want all of it. All of it, yeah. Yeah. So, 700 rupees. It's about £2. I'm buying bananas. Thank you. Here we go. Thank you. I think the lady thinks I'm crazy. I think she must think I must have some kind of banana fetish or something like this. Yeah, I'll put that in there. There we go.
You want to smoke it?
Hmm?
You want to smoke it?
No, thank you. I don't smoke. Thank you, though. Would you like a banana? Have a banana. No, please, please, take a banana. My friend, no, have a banana. Take a banana. There we go. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm now the proud owner of a giant bunch of bananas. She thinks I'm crazy. Nice. Now, I haven't really thought about this logistically, have I? How do you carry a giant bunch of bananas on a motorbike? Okay. Ask the lady for string. Do you have any string? Ah, fantastic. Okay, the bananas are strapped on. I've just thought, I hope I don't come across any marauding wild elephants, because that'll be a tasty snack or two. So yeah, if I see any elephants, I'm off before they mug me for me bananas. Right, let's go. Let's go and give people bananas. I found two ladies in a bus stop and they look like they need some fresh, tasty bananas. Hello! Some bananas! Thank you! Thank you. Where do you want? And for the lady here, there you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, careful. Enjoy your bus trip. Bye bye. Have a safe journey. Bye. What are we saying? Shall we? Assistant Superintendent of Police. I think he fancies a banana. What do you reckon? Come on, let's do it. What's the worst that can happen? I get arrested. Well, can you get arrested for giving people bananas? I don't fucking know. Hello, hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah, I'm going to Kandy. I'm from England. Sorry, may I? Oh, COVID. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, today in England, special day. It's Banana Day. Are you a policeman? The policeman. I must give you a present. In England, we must give bananas today.
Thank you, thank you.
There you go, sir. You enjoy your bananas. Happy Banana Day, okay? Yeah. Enjoy. Let me eat one with you.
Enough.
We must eat one together. Are you the chief? You the boss? Chief? No? But you're a policeman though, yes? Happy Banana Day. Very good.
Very nice, very nice.
Bye bye now. There we go. Another happy customer for Banana Day. Sharing bananas, sharing the love with the beautiful people of Sri Lanka. Wait. In England, special day today. Happy Banana Day. You must take, please, you must take bananas. Please. Please, you must take my bananas. He won't take my bananas. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. He was happy with the bananas. What's the bananas? So bananas for you.
Happy New Year.
Happy Banana Day. Bye bye. Happy Banana Day. What the fuck? Good evening, gentlemen. Hello. Can I give you some bananas? 1 second. There we go, sir. Happy Banana Day.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Okay, enjoy your meal. Bye bye. He was a bit serious. I'm getting off. Whoop whoop. It's the sound of the police. Hello. Banana? There we go. Banana? Yay! You've got one already? No, you can have one. Who hasn't had one? There we go. Oh, please don't cry. Banana? No, it doesn't want the banana. Hello, sir. How are you? Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm from England. In England, we have a holiday today. Banana Day. So I must give bananas. Can I give some banana? You have prisoners?
Yeah, no prisoners.
No prisoners. Can I give
We have banana.
Can I give some to you and you give to the prisoners in the prison?
What banana?
Yeah. You go now to the prison.
Yes.
Can I give this to you and you give as gift to prisoners? Yes? So we found these gentlemen. They are prison officers from the prison, and we are going to give the bananas to the prison officers, and you're going to give them to the prisoners as a gift. We give them as a gift to the prisoners. 1 second. Sir, can you hold this? Thank you. Not many left, but we have some bananas. Thank you. Thank you, please, from me, from England. Thank you. Bye bye now.
Bye-bye.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
My gift to the prisoners of Sri Lanka. Free them.